I'm going to be replacing the UJ on my Subaru Forester. We'll have to follow some procedures before we remove it, like locking the steering wheel, jacking up the car, and making some marks to make sure we put the new UJ the same way that the old one was fitted. So if you can hear knocking while you're turning, whether you're turning your steering wheel full lock or not, this video might help you.